If you want to stay healthy and young, stay away from salt as much as possible. The study on the harms of excessive salt consumption revealed that adding salt frequently poses the danger of premature death. In the study carried out by U.S. scientists, it was announced that consuming salt frequently is associated with heavy problems. Once again, it became clear how harmful the use of salt is. The study, published in the peer-reviewed European Heart Journal, stated that the frequent addition of salt to foods causes premature death from diseases such as cardiovascular disease, stroke, coronary heart disease or cancer. According to the news on NTV, according to a study by U.S. scientists, it has been explained that adding salt to foods frequently can lead to heavy problems. Researchers from Tulane University in Louisiana noted that the frequent addition of salt to food is associated with premature death from causes such as cardiovascular disease, stroke, coronary heart disease or cancer. 18,474 early deaths due to salt. The scientists who carried out the study said that as a result of their research, frequent salt use caused 18,474 documented premature deaths. Dr. Lu Qi, a professor in Tulane University's School of Public Health and Tropical Medicine and director of the university's Center for Obesity Research. Lu Qi said it's a unique behavioral variable for measuring how often people add salt to their food. This study addressed a very specific behavior related to sodium intake, said Lu Qi. This means that we can appropriately change the behavior to reduce sodium intake. Researchers also drew attention to the finding about potassium, underlining that those who consume vegetables and fruits reduce their risk. We have findings on the health benefits of consuming more potassium-rich fruits and vegetables in your meals, said Joan Salge Blake, a registered dietitian nutritionist and clinical professor in Boston University's College of Health and Rehabilitation Sciences. On the other hand, what is the importance of salt for our body? Salt. Chemically, it is a compound formed by the combination of sodium and chlorine elements. In this sense, salt is our body's main source of sodium and chlorine. Sodium and chlorine, which are in the form of ions, take part in very important physiological events in the human body. All cells in our body maintain their lives by establishing a certain balance between the extracellular environment and the internal environment. The chemical and physiological balance between the intracellular and extracellular environments is provided by the ions dissolved in these environments. While sodium ion is the main positively charged ion of the extracellular environment, chlorine is the main negatively charged ion of the extracellular environment. In this respect, changes in the level of sodium or chlorine ions in the body may disrupt the physiological balance and damage cells at various levels. In addition, sodium ion basically takes part in the placement of water molecules in the tissue spaces in the body. Therefore, it can be said that sodium ion has a critical importance in the realization of very important functions such as kidney functions, blood pressure and production of body fluids. In addition, sodium ions are needed for the smooth performance of vital functions such as nerve cells perceiving sensations, transmitting them to other cells, and activating muscle cells.
Thank you for watching. Reading is boring, so we will be sharing interesting things about world and life with you. Share, like and subscribe, you know what to do. Leave a comment what you are interested in so we can do an episode about it too.